Hey guys, what's up? So today we're shooting top best shirt sheets, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first sheet is called Super Signal. Best themes for the status bar with 18 cute types of signal plus Wi-Fi. Next sheet's called Rocket for Instagram. Save posts and view stories anonymously and do much more. So it's basically an Instagram plus alternative. So you have all these features right here for Instagram. Just want to make sure you download the Instagram app inside the App Store, and then install this tweak, and it should take effect into the Instagram app. Next, we call it Quick Send. Moves quick reply send button onto the keyboard. Next, is called Remove Ads Toggle. Next, is called Remove Ads Toggle, and it removes the ads. Next, use a theme called Blue Red. Or Blue Read. It's a highly detailed theme designed with perfectionist in mind. This is called Jailbreak Evolution, and what it does, it gives you all these features right here. Also a backdoor option, so if your device goes into a glitch or whatever, it gets frozen, then instead of having to restart your device, reboot it, and then you lose your jailbreak, you can actually get you can actually put in safe mode using this tweak, using the backdoor option. Also, you can read the refund policy, to get your money back if you need it. Next is called C Sources 2. Compatible with all iPhone and iPad models. Supports iOS 9.3.3 to 14.4.1. Supports Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Odyssey, Chimera, Pengu, Phoenix, and more. Supports Cydia installers, Celio, and Zebra. So it allows you to have full control and add features to managing your sources for your package manager. Next is called Cockpit 2. Brings the ability to display the contact pictures everywhere on your iPhone. She's called End Control, and allows you to use your controller, play games on your iPhone. So it only supports, if your game does not support MFI, if the game does not support the controller, then it will not work. So it doesn't work on all apps and games, but it does work on some of them. And it's amazing playing a game, with a controller. So much easier and just better. This is called Switch Us, and allows you to customize your app switcher like never before, as options app when they thought was useful. So you got these apps right here. This is called Deficient or Deficient. It's a tweak for YouTube with over 60 plus features to choose from, which on iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. It's my friend STEMgrade, and yeah, so it's basically a YouTube plus alternative. This is called Delete Photos Completely. I'm guessing that when you delete a photo, instead of putting it to your recently deleted, you can just delete it completely. So this is called LOL Mobile. Hi Jailbreak LOL Mobile latest version. This is called SABB Mobile. Hi Jailbreak SAB Mobile latest version. This is called Yobon, and add new buttons on top of your settings. You have fast respring, LD restart, enter in safe mode, clear cache and respring, enable or disable GPS. This is called iWall, supports iOS 13 to 14. This is called Wolf. It updated Facebook tweak with powerful features. You have user features, story features, and feed features. This is called Unicorn, and it's basically a tweak for TikTok. So you have all these features for TikTok. This is called Rhino. It's an Instagram plus alternative tweak. You have all these features right here for Instagram. This is called 361. It's basically an app what's that app tweet called? S-Line, Crane. It's just like those two tweets. Slice is 3, so it allows you to actually have manage your accounts in your app. So Facebook, Twitter, you can actually you can manage your logins with this. So manage your accounts. You can reset, backup, and restore your device with on your apps and games. Next is called Messenger No Ads. It gets rid of Messenger and adds these features to the Messenger's app. Next is called U-Term 2, version 2.5, released with dark and light mode, password manager support, and lots of fonts. Next is called Star Wars Respring Pack, and makes your device join the dark side. Next is called Runaway. This is called Rotate My Screen, and this week was only tested for iPads. It's an activated listener that lets you rotate your iPad screen while on a flat surface like a desktop, like a desk, without picking it up and rotating the screen. This is called Cozy Badges, and Cozy plays for your badges, removes the boring default badges, and then that appear when you have a notification on an app, and instead replace with a colorful label. This is called Icon Kurt. Tweak shows your remaining certificate time on the app. This is called Spear. Multicast and special spear allows you to run your recent apps on top of others. This is called Auto Scroll, and allows you just to automatically scroll instead of you keep scrolling down with your finger or thumb. So if iOS 14, guys, you do want to message the developer, which is PC at CES, message him on Twitter, and you could buy the auto scroll for iOS 14. It's $2.99. Next is called Groups, and full support for iOS 14, and new way to experience messages. Next is called Atson, and group notifications on the lock screen. And the last tweet is called Sleepy Time, displays the time until alarms in stock iOS clock app. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one, and peace.